coming on 21st of July, but its impact is already started in the whole nation. It is called the sacrifice on Bakar Eid Day. Dear friends, every year my Muslim friends are celebrating Bakar Eid. I wish them greetings and all blessing from Allah Ta'ala. But इट इज़ रिटर्न नहीं पहुँचते अल्लाह के पास खून के गोश्त के लुक़मे और पहुँचती अल्लाह के पास दयानतदारी परहेजगारी. डियर फ्रेंड, these words says that first of all sacrificing whether Hindu is giving bali or you are giving qurbani, both are in this present world is not cherishable. But still, legally, because I am a man of law, I can tell you that Karnataka and many other states have prevention of animal sacrifice acts, which prevent sacrifice, place of sacrifice, system of sacrifice. Now it is the right time to think over it. Our Karnataka Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act also stop, restrict, ban the sacrifice of cow. Now, I was concerned about when I received one message, one communication circulated in social media, a letter issued by one member of parliament, Asuddin Obeshi from Hyderabad. I know that he himself is a law student. I feel he did practice also of law, but whether he don't know the thumb principles of law. In his letter, when I gone through that letter, he has addressed it to Director General of Police Telangana, one Mr. Mahinder Reddy IPS. Okay, he has the right. He can address it to President of India also. Who can stop him? Like I can send a communication. But the content of that letter disturbs whole country, the legal persons, the lawmakers, the animal lovers. He says that they are giving the qurbani of healthy animals. But dear friends, he must know that our constitution has prohibited it. It is not a fundamental right as been proved in Supreme Court of India. In several cases, particularly in Justice R.C. Lahoti, constituted a constitution bench and a wonderful order was given to him. The cause arose on the case from West Bengal, Kolkata High Court order, which was examined by Justice Lahiri and Justice Kuldeep Singh and Justice Ansaria, where they mentioned that it is not the fundamental right, it is because in Hadith Sahib, it is written that if 7 brothers want to give qurbani and they don't have the funding to purchase 7 sheep or goat, then they can think of giving sacrifice of 1 camel or cow. So it is an economic problem. It is not a fundamental right. It has been proved in Supreme Court of India. So dear friends, now I want to tell to Asuddin Obeshi in very clear words that you cannot give a sacrifice of a cow. You cannot give a sacrifice of a ox. Number 1. Number 2, transportation. You are telling in your letter that no number of animal is mentioned. Whether all the acts and rules you have studied. 125 of Motor Vehicle Act gives the space requirement of a cattle, a horse, a pig, a goat. That means a cattle has to be provided 2 square meter of the space because there are different sizes of vehicle. A vehicle may be a small epee, maybe having only less than 2 square meter of space. So it will be loading 1. If it is a 4-wheeler truck, it may be having space because its width will be only 5 or 6 feet and length may be 2 meter. So it may load 3 or 4. But if you go for 20-foot container, it may load 6 or 7 or 8. So that is a question of measurement. You measure your vehicle and follow the law. Same thing has been given in transport of animal rules in our PCA Act also, where by weight also we have ascertained. If an animal is above 300 kg, 200 kg, all this is written in the Act. So, dear Obesi, if you have not read the Act and rule, you can always contact me. I can send you the copies. I have printed. I have compiled this kind of, like for Bengal, I have West Bengal animal safety. For Karnataka, this is my 5th edition. Animal Safety Law Guide of Karnataka. I have written on national level also. And this gives you, and my app. You can note down my app. You can see all the acts and rules in my app Asli. No need to come to me also. Animal Safety Laws of India, Asli space Mittal. You can download this app in your mobile and you can see all acts and rules and Supreme Court and High Court judgments. Dear friends, again I come back to you. Now, he has attacked, he says that these persons from any public, they are troubling. He has used very nonsense words, but I cannot use those words on this channel. But I want to say that Code 43 of CRPC has given us the power of public arrest in the cognizable offences. All these offences are cognizable offence. So we have the power of public arrest. If you are not read, you can read Code 43 of CRPC, which empowers each and every citizen. Like if some person is killing some person, whether a viewer will go to police to call, by the time a person will kill and go away. So a power has been given to every citizen in Code 43 that you can intervene, you can stop that, you can arrest that person and bring it to nearest police station and hand over there. So that very simple act and law, it is known to everybody. Now, dear friends, this is the time to wake up and to serve our livestock, because it is the bone of our next generation, bone for our next generation. If we want a strong child, if we want to serve our school-going child, if we want to have good health, if we want to fight with corona, we shall have the sufficient non-adulterated milk with good fat content. But now the adulterated milk is penetrated in community, and like in Hyderabad, I was told that more than 60% milk is coming adulterated. Not only mixed with water, but chemical made milk is also seen there. In Mysore also, in spite of we have a Nandini, but still this is there. So dear friends, we'll meet next, but I can say you to my Muslim brothers, happy Eid ul-Juha, but save poor, our speechless animal. You can give the sacrifice of sheep or goat made from chocolate, maybe from coconut, and you can distribute as a and share with your all friends. I invite me also. I will also come to share with you. Again, Eid Mubarak. Thank you.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರು ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸರಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇತೋಹಾರ.